This lock is between the following parties: Jake Maxon, co-owner of Async; Tom Marin, scientist and tester of the Backrooms; Matthew Bickington, same role as Tom.
Alright, Tom and Matt. You need to enter the storage area to find survivors. If they enter into the storage area, to get them out. Okay, we will get on our hazmat suits and go into the storage area. Okay. Please keep in contact with me.
We encountered something. I don't know what it is, but it already got to Matt. It turned into the same thing.
What is it? Describe it.
Tall and yellow. A smile carved with red liquid. Probably blood. It's gunput him in this library. It says on the wall, "A event is near period. I'm using the computers to contact you." Wait. No.
Tom? Tom! Oh my god. No, why is it here? It is breaching with all of its friends.
So.
We interrupt this regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. The station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WVIT. We will continue to serve the Los Angeles area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to cable systems providing news and information to your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system for the Los Angeles area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the unknown authority and the United States government and the Centers for Disease Control. Many creatures have escaped from an alternate reality. 6 party hats and yellow and a smile carved into the creature, and it makes more of itself by making physical contact with you. All residences of the North American continent should seek an underground shelter or evacuate to the United Kingdom immediately.
I'm doing time.